Having some watermelon. Actually, I was very hungry and I didn't eat lunch, so I skipped that. I really was craving for something light, so it's very good if you are starting. Just eat something light and you will be in perfect health as well. So, so see, it's so red, it's so nice. Mm. It's really juicy. Oh my god. इट्स 5 o'clock राइट नाउ और मैं पौधों में पानी देने की सोच रही हूँ.